Well, here I am, just showing up to this customer's house. I looked at the AC already. It is extremely dirty. If I do a good job cleaning this, follow me, please. I just want more followers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the disconnect. Okay, just got the disconnect pulled, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the side panel. Okay, I just got the side panel off, so I'm gonna go ahead and discharge the capacitor by holding the screwdriver on the rubber end and just go terminal to terminal on all of these. They don't always hold the charge, but sometimes they can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these screws all the way around the AC, and then I can pull this thing off. Okay, I just got all these screws out all the way around the thing, so this top should just pop right up. Now that I got this thing popped up, I got my fan wires right there. There's 3 of them, 2 going to the capacitor, and then I got the common going over here to the contactor. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off. Okay, I remembered my wiring, pulled them off, and now this top part will come right off. Okay, I got it sitting right over there. So now I need to take off these panels on the side, and it's easy because these things just slide right up. Okay, I just got this one off, and this coil is extremely dirty, but I'll go ahead and show you how to slide this one up. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but I'm buff. Okay, 2 more. And these corners, they just bend out, and then they slide off that little down there. And this is what this thing looks like all the way around. Just fur, hair. This thing's got to breathe. This is an intake. It's supposed to breathe through here and come out this side. So it can't breathe when it's real dirty like this. I'm just gonna wash it from the top to the bottom, from the outside in. I'm not really gonna try to spray it in, but I'm just gonna try to push that coat down. Cause it's got a little blanket on it right now. So just trying to wash it down, get it off. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's better. Okay, now that I got the big thick layer off all the way around this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it from the inside out. And as you can see, this water is just flowing right through, just like it's supposed to be. It's got a little bit of dirty water coming out, but not much. Just gonna keep going. Okay, AC is nice and clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the inside of this fan. Just get all this dirt and spider webs. There's a wasp nest right there. Get it out, wash it all off. There is some oil on this fan motor. If you spin it, it comes to a stop pretty quick, so I'm gonna remember that. I'm gonna go ahead and put these side grates all the way back around the thing, just the way I took them off. Okay, just got all the panels back on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this top right back on. Okay, just got the top back on, so I'm gonna put the screws back in. Okay, I just got the screws back in, so now I can take my 3 wires and I can go ahead and wire these back up. Just put one right there, one right here, and then one goes right back here on the back of the contactor. Let's plug this in. Okay, I just plugged it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and kick the AC on inside of the thermostat. Okay, it was on a 5-minute delay, so it should be kicking on any second now. There it is. Blade kicked on, compressor's kicked on, and it seems like it's running pretty quiet. System is cooling.